Always found yourself procrastinating when you have work to do? How can you be productive when working from home? Hello, I'm Elena. Welcome to my e-class in Bites. If you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel if you want videos about education, technology, and content creation. Our school year 2020-2021 officially ended last week. But for teachers, it's not yet over. We still have lots of tasks to do, from checking class activities, computation of grades, and making the necessary reports needed to be submitted to our admins. In addition, parents like me need to assist our children while they are also learning from home. And don't forget the daily house chores. For over a year now, these are just some of the challenges employed individuals like me are experiencing from working remotely. To be honest, there are times that I tend to procrastinate when I think of all the things that need to be done. You will feel a bit overwhelmed, which in effect will put you on hold. So how can you solve this issue? How can you stay productive while working from home? Plan your day. It really helps to list down the tasks you want to accomplish throughout the day. Put your focus on one day at a time only. Do not plan for the whole week, but if you want to, do it. Have a big goal each day. Determine what is that one major task that you want to finish for that particular day. Maybe finishing to grade 1 out of 10 classes you handle for that semester, or finishing one of 3 baskets of your laundry that's been piling up for weeks. It must be that when you accomplish this big or major goal, you will feel really good about yourself. Add small tasks on the side. These small tasks should be considered menial, meaning it's not totally important to finish it within the day. But if you did, well, you deserve a pat on the back. Be realistic and intentional. Set tasks and goals that you will actually do. As the saying goes, a plan without action is just a wish. Motivate yourself and look forward to accomplishing them till the end of the day. Take a rest or reward yourself. If you manage to finish all the tasks you planned for that day, then you deserve a treat. And even if you fail to do so, you still deserve it because you tried. Either way, do not be too hard on yourself. Savor and just enjoy every moment. There's another day to make it work again. Being productive really requires an efficient and effective system. A system that through continuous practice will become a habit. It may seem hard at first, but it is absolutely doable. I hope you learned something from this video. I appreciate you being here. More so if you subscribe and click the bell to be notified of my future videos. Share this video to someone you know who needs it. Leave a like and a comment below. There are more videos here on my channel to watch. See you there.